Hello, gardening and farming enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the Horned Black Hereford cattle. These remarkable creatures have a storied history and unique characteristics. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating insights. The Horned Black Hereford, a distinctive breed, traces its origins to the United Kingdom, where it was developed by crossing native cattle with imported Dutch and French breeds. These cattle played a vital role in shaping the beef industry in the UK and beyond. Horned Black Herefords are medium-sized cattle with a black coat and striking white faces. The most distinctive feature is, of course, their impressive horns, which can vary in shape and size but add to their unique appearance. To successfully raise Horned Black Herefords, you'll want to provide them with ample pasture and access to clean water. They thrive in a variety of climates and are known for their adaptability. Proper nutrition and health care are key to their well-being. Horned Black Herefords are generally known for their docile temperament, making them good candidates for coexisting with other livestock. However, like with any cattle breed, it's important to ensure proper fencing and separation when necessary to prevent conflicts. Horned Black Herefords are primarily raised for their high-quality beef. Their meat is prized for its marbling and tenderness, making it a favorite among beef enthusiasts. They are also used in crossbreeding programs to improve the genetics of other cattle breeds. And there you have it, a glimpse into the intriguing world of the Horned Black Hereford. With its historical roots in the UK, distinctive appearance, and valuable contributions to the beef industry, these cattle are a remarkable addition to any farm. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more captivating species on our channel.